You want to streamline your sales process, never lose track of a deal again, and actually spend your time where it matters? Then let me show you the Sales Workspace in HubSpot, the cockpit for modern sales teams.
Superhacks, the HubSpot Experts. Presented by WPWA Digital.
Hey, I'm Svenja, Head of MarTech and Systems at WPWA Digital. As an official Platinum partner, we support you with everything related to HubSpot. Let's dive in. What is the Sales Workspace? The Sales Workspace is a centralized area in HubSpot designed specifically for sales reps. It brings together everything you need, from deals to tasks to communication history, in one single place. Key features at a glance. First, personalized overview. The Sales Workspace gives you a clear view of your current deals, due tasks, and upcoming meetings. You can plan your day efficiently, all from one screen. Second, communication and activities. Emails, calls, and meetings are automatically tracked. You can send emails or start calls directly from the workspace, with templates, sequences, and tracking included. Third, task management and follow-ups. Create reminders, manage open to-dos, and plan your next steps directly within each deal. You'll never forget a follow-up again. Fourth, deal pipeline and leads. You can track all your deals across the pipeline stages and also see where your leads stand, the pre-stage to deals. But first, let's take a closer look at the difference between leads and deals. What are leads? Leads are potential customers who have shown interest in your product or service. For example, by filling out a form, downloading content, or having an initial conversation. No matter if they came in through inbound or outbound. In HubSpot, they are stored in the lead object within your CRM. Keep in mind, leads are contacts or companies that haven't yet become a sales opportunity. They are not qualified, but they are the first step in the sales process. You want to keep them on your radar so you can qualify them later. Example, someone downloads your white paper. They now become a lead in your CRM. What are deals? A deal represents an actual sales opportunity. As soon as a lead expresses interest by requesting a quote, for instance, it becomes a deal. Deals have a monetary value, a decision maker involved, a clear business case, and a projected close date. This is where bund criteria come in. Budget, authority, need, and timing. Example, your lead requests a quote for your service. You create a deal worth 5,000 euros and move it to the proposal send stage. Enjoying the video so far? Show us some love with a like. And if you don't want to miss any HubSpot tips or updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have you heard about our newsletter? It keeps you up to date with the latest HubSpot news. Only relevant content, no spam, we promise. You'll find the sign-up link in the video description. Now, back to the video. How do leads and deals work together in the Sales Workspace? Connecting both worlds. In the Sales Workspace, you can always see both leads and deals. You can create a deal directly from a contact while also continuing to track communication and tasks. These are the advantages. You know exactly where your contact stands in the sales process, and you can quickly identify which leads haven't yet been converted into deals. How to create new leads in HubSpot? It's simple. Either go to a contact or company record and create a lead from there, or use automation. For example, if a contact enters a specific lifecycle stage, HubSpot can automatically generate a new lead. Both methods work. Now you can work your leads through different stages and plan next steps accordingly. Bonus feature, target accounts. Many teams actively prospect companies they haven't contacted yet, but would like to win them as customers. Since there's no lead or deal yet, these companies are listed in HubSpot as target accounts. You can easily mark an existing company as a target account. Behind the scenes, HubSpot sets the target account company property to true, and it shows up in your Sales Workspace. How does a lead become a deal? Once your lead moves into the qualified stage, you should create a deal. You can configure this with one click in the lead object settings, so no deal is ever forgotten. Conclusion. The HubSpot Sales Workspace brings structure to your daily sales routine and helps you focus on what really matters, selling. And now a quick advertisement in our own course. If you need help setting up the Sales Workspace, scan the QR code or click the first link in the video description.